The parts of the page are divided into 4 sections: the header, banner, services and footer. There are 5 images to be extracted from this layout. First, I will hide all the layers with background color. I will also hide the texts and shapes on top of any image. Then I will use the Slice tool and select the part of the layout that must be extracted. For the other 3 images, I will use a different approach. I will select the layer where the image is placed. Then I will go to Layer, and choose New Layer-based Slice. When the slicing is complete, the next step is to give each slice a name. This will be the name for each image. After labeling each slice, go to File, Save for Web. Then select each slice and choose the appropriate format for each image. Click Save. Photoshop will create a folder named Images in the location where you saved the file. Go to the Images folder. Erase some of the slices that were automatically converted into image. These are those that were not given specific names. Now that all images have been extracted, the next step is to code the page.